old YouTube. After a while, I have not posted a video for quite a while, which is quite odd really, since I haven't posted in a while. So you know how it is. Right now I'm actually using Camtasia screen recorder right now. I don't know if this is good or not. Is anyone calling me at this time? Oh wait, no. Anyways, moving on. Yes, I'm using Camtasia screen recorder right now. I don't know if it is good or bad, but who knows. It's better than using Bandicam, right? For all I know. For this video, it's actually quite a tutorial video. Obviously know what it is by now, hopefully. And it's your own Minecraft server icon for your server. Kind of like this. I made this one recently. I don't know if I can zoom in anymore. Oh, okay. See, this is just mine right here. I made it like 2 days ago, really. These are the test ones. Let's see if I can find the test ones. This. I hope they don't wait. Alright. Yeah, this one. I made this one just now, actually. It was a test one, but in this video, it's gonna be for you guys, so you can know how to make your own server icon pretty quick and simple. So, first of all, you're gonna wanna have some plugins. So you got Effect. You'll be receiving all of this. No more paint.net. You don't have any of this. I'm pretty sure you don't. Maybe. It's quite simple to get them. If I can, I will leave the link in the description below for you guys. Alright. Second of all, you're gonna wanna make 64 by 64, obviously. There. After you make a 64 by 64, let's zoom in quick. Right now I'm using my laptop actually to record right now, so you know, if you hear me clicking or anything, then you will know. Also, guys, Merry Christmas. I will make more of this holiday thing in the end of the video. Anyways, click on magic wand, and once you click magic wand, you want to click in this. It's gonna automatically, you know, be like you clicked on everything even though you really didn't. You just clicked on one spot and it selected everything. Once you have selected everything, click the delete button, not the backspace, the delete, which it should be like this, transparent, kind of like. Hopefully you guys know how to make it transparent after using the magic wand to delete everything. Then this is the easiest part actually. All you gotta do is get your own font. Hopefully you know how to add a font to your computer. If you don't, please watch a video on how to add a font to your own computer. And once you do, it should be right here, Bimbo. Bimbo is what I usually personally use to, you know, for these type of pictures or icons. Now, the more smaller it is, the more blurry it is. So, to be honest, you might wanna make it big, I guess. Let's put 28. Nah. Let's put 32. Oh, the hell? That was bad. Alright. Much better. Alright. You can add your own color to it. We'll do it now, actually. Let's just make it purple, I guess, for this video. Alright. After you already vote what you want, and yes, this is just kind of like a new icon for my server I'm making. If it does go good, if it does look perfect, I will keep it, but this is a tutorial video for you guys. You can do whatever you want with this. It's not just, you don't have to copy it. If you want, you can copy me, but this is just for you guys. You can do what you want, you know, just get around, have fun with it. When you already typed on your icon or whatever text you want to put to it, I could just put S, GGG. I couldn't put a picture of a monkey if I wanted to right now. But yeah, I would do SR. The next thing you want to do is center it. You could just do this and then just press the move selected pixel, so you can just move it yourself if you wanted to. But you don't want to center it. Click effect and then just wait for it. Alright. And then click object, align, and click center both. Which it's gonna take a little while. Boom, it's loaded in. Now it's centered, which now you just wanna make it middle now, which also we're gonna wanna not, you know, mess up a bit. Alright. Now. There. This should be perfect, hopefully. Alright. So this is like my main part right already. Which, you know, after this is my main part, the text for the icon. So you know, just to let you know, guys know. Then you're gonna want to press escape. There. Then you want to make another layer. Put this part in the bottom. And this is where we add the effects and all the rendering. Click on effect, render, and just go all the way down till you find polygon. Who in the world? Why is my phone keep ringing? Hope this is bad and that'll be distracting from my video. Polygon and stars. Did it even load it up? I'm gonna want to retry that. Let me look for you guys. Hopefully you know what you see right now. Alright, polygon and stars. Oh, this is not what I want to open. Alright. Render for the last time. Okay. Alright. Polygon and stars. There, it should be like this. This is a polygon now. You can make it super small, super huge. I mean, this doesn't even go more than 1 decimal really. It's not fun to making it big, but you can also change colors, which is pretty nice. You're gonna want to make this, I guess, you know. You can change shape, which we're gonna be doing that right now. And line width, which is gonna be used for how big and you know how small. Alright, so we are not gonna want to make this super huge, you know. Just gonna want this to be differentish type of color. Let's make this dark purple, I guess. This one's pretty fine. Let's make it like this. This is fine. You guys can change it to the way you guys want it. This is the rotation angle, so if you want to rotate, you can. It's always there for you. Size, I guess I'll just leave it like this, just so we can make this tutorial quicker, so you guys don't have to, you know, wait for long. Alright. So I'm not gonna get too much in depth. However, we're gonna want to click this again. I think I might have done something that I forgot to do, but you guys stay smooth. I'm just gonna, you know, you should probably be following the step that's it's gonna be affecting you too already. We're gonna want to make this a bit, you know, darkish, colorish. Alright, let's just move to the middle. There. Escape. Effect. And now we're gonna search for where it makes it there. Object outline. Go to effect and object and outline object. This is what I should have told you guys in the beginning, but sadly I forgot to do it. So I apologize, guys. Hopefully you follow my step to delete the layer and, or not even layer, to edit the layer of the, you know, text. This is how it's gonna be like right now. You may change it, which, you know, hopefully doesn't sound a big deal. You may change the strength. Just gonna not make this that strong. This should be fine. Well, personally for me, you can make this nice and, you know, blackish. It's just, this would be fine, I guess, for my type of color, you know. Alright, just gonna wait for that to load. Alright, so now we're gonna work on the background. So first of all, you're gonna want to rename this to background default. Make sure layer 3 is down and layer 4 should be up. So layer 4 is gonna be used for later. Layer 3 is gonna be used for now. Click on layer 3. We're gonna click on effect. Like I said, you guys can mess around with this. This is not just, you know, for me to just make you guys do what I want to do. So you obviously know what to do. You're just gonna have to go to something, I forgot to pronounce this, man. This is gonna be used for the background. However, first of all, we're gonna want to get a paint bucket, and we are gonna be using this to make our background. So you can change it to any one you want, black, blue, hell if I know. I'm gonna change it to grayish personally, or maybe I could just change it to pink. But obviously, I will not choose that. I'll choose. What the hell? We'll choose dark gray for now. Yeah, dark gray is pretty fine, I guess. Cough. For this though, well, we are gonna go back to layer 3 later, but for now we're gonna go to layer 4. Once we're on layer 4, we're gonna wanna click on effect, and this is where it gets pretty, you know, somewhat, something. I'm gonna go to render, and we are gonna be going to, well, the one I said, something. I don't even know how to pronounce this. You may mess around with this. This is where your background, like, what I call it, your background makes random images and like combines from what the color you've been using in a while. I could be changing it to anything I want, really. Let's just make this more interesting, I guess, for your viewers. You can be, you know, changing the background. You can mess around with this. You don't have to copy anything that I'm doing. This is the part where you don't have to copy anything that I'm doing. You guys can be personally doing the one you want to do. I'm just doing mine. So you guys, like, while you guys are messing around and stuff, you know, keep watching this video so you know what to do in the future while I'm finishing this. Also guys, I might make a shop in the description below where, you know, if you want me to make a server icon for you, I will. You know what I mean? All you gotta do is just either request me it through Skype, Discord, or the comments below if I'm able to see it. Alright, we're just gonna make it like this so, you know, we don't mess things up early and so we can finish the tutorial earlier. Let's just see. Also guys, sorry, my dog is right next to me and it's getting pretty bark by sleeping all the time right now. 1 hour straight. That's nice. So we're just gonna go quick. Alright. Let's just finish this out quick. Let's just get this back on. I mean, I don't like it personally, but oh damn. This one, yeah, this is good. Alright, after you're done, make sure everything here is fine. Gray color is gonna make everything all grayish. Border's gonna have a border. Gradient is gonna, you know, mess things up. After you're done, we are gonna be seeing this. You could finish from here, but I don't recommend that as I don't see, you know, any reason to stop here. The last thing we're gonna be doing is adding a border. Alright? We're gonna be adding a border here. Rendering. And we're gonna be finding a border. You are able to use this if you want. It still adds a border. But I don't recommend this as, you know, you could be doing way more stuff with this, with, you know, this related type of border. If you were able to click on this render and border and shapes, you could be, it's kind of like the same one we just looked at now, but much easier. You could add dotted patterns, dash, much more stuff you guys can do here. Rectangle, all of these, which we're gonna be doing later. You're also able to change colors too, actually. Change it to dark blue, which is pretty nice actually. Whoa. So yeah, you can listen to this if you want. I'm just gonna finish this quicker. With it, you can make this all the way where it covers literally your entire screen. Obviously, though, since which layer are we in right now? Layer 4. It does not cover layer 2 nor layer 1, since, you know, it's below it. Layer 3 gets covered up since obviously, you know, it sucks and it's down there, sadly. Alright. So it's gonna be like this. You guys can change whatever you want. You guys can, you know, customize it. I'm gonna be doing what I like to do right now for my server icon. Alright, yeah. It's that simple to make a server icon. This is what I personally do to make a server icon. If you want, you can, you know, mess around with others, but this is how I make my server icon. Alright. All you gotta do is just, if you want to change something else, you can. Let's see if there's anything else here we can do. Personally, I don't see anything else here to do. Using fire. This plugin has a lot of stuff that you guys can do for these type of images. So I recommend you guys would get them for yourselves. Alright. I guess we're done here, I guess. It's that simple, really. I know I talked fast in this video, but I might make an updated version of this video soon. I'm recording this video pretty late, so you know, I mean, since I haven't posted a video in a while, I really wanted to upload a video as fast as I can. You can save the image, save as. First we're gonna save it as video tube test, or just in case we put on that image. File as. Now for the image, click here, PNG. Click OK. Trying it, and I guess we're done. We should see right now as we check. It should be here. Oh, open paint on that. That's nice. That's just nice. Opening paint on next. No. Here's the one that we did. There we go. Now it does tend to get blurry since it's 64 by 64. So if you want to have one for your group, I recommend a 250 by 250. This is a 64 by 64. So yes, you could change you could resize it. Obviously, you go to image. Just wait for it to load, I guess. Taking quite a while to load. Alright, you can click resize 2050, 2050, and it's gonna be loaded up into this. Which in that case, I'm gonna save this image as well as a PNG. Oh, what the hell? PNG 250. Alright. Yeah, it is done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have, leave a like, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Also guys, I forgot to say though, Merry Christmas. I forgot to post a video for Christmas, the last video, since it's, I don't even know if that video was even close to Christmas. I mean, it's literally Christmas since I have Christmas break, which is pretty nice. And well, I have more time to post video for you guys now since I'm in Christmas break, which is pretty nice, I gotta say. So, if you have enjoyed the video, please leave a like. And yes, I might do a Christmas giveaway. I'm not thinking of what it should be about. So I mean, you should leave comments and suggestions below. And I don't even know if I even speak English correctly anymore. But who knows? It's late at night, and it's late at night, and I'm recording this, so my English is very blurry right now. You can't blame me for it. But hey, if you have any suggestions, you should comment down below what it should be. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.